Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nazwa Julia Madian Tias. You can call me Nazwa. I am from PGRI Madiun University Mathematics Education Study Program with NIM 230211001H. I will explain material mathematical logic about tautology and contradiction. Let's watch the following video. Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to discuss to you tautology and contradiction. Let's begin our discussion on tautology. Let me define first what is a tautology. A statement is a tautology if it is true for all truth value assessment of all its primitive statements. So, if we have a complex statement and if we fill up its truth table and if we found out that all of its truth values are true, then it is a tautology. Let me show you an example to understand this definition. Let's say we have a statement A or not A, and if we fill up a truth table, we can have like this. So in here I filled up already a truth table for this discussion. As you can see, all of its truth values are true for all truth value assessment of its primitive statement A. In this statement, A or not A, there is only one primitive statement, and that is A. And if it is either true or false, it is true. Now an English example for this statement is you win or you didn't win. Let's say A is you win, then not A is you didn't win. So, if you win that is A is true, then this statement A or not A is true, since in a disjunction connective, this is true if either this or this is true. Now, if you didn't win that is not A is true, then this A or not A is still true, since again in a disjunction connective, it is true if either this or this is true. So this statement is always true no matter what happens, and that's what makes it to be a tautology. Now let us have a more complicated example. A and B implies A. Then if we fill up its truth table, we can find like this. So again, I filled up this truth table for this discussion. So as you can see, this A and B implies A is all true for all the truth value assessment, which are all possible combination of truth values of its primitive statement A and B. So by definition in here, it is a tautology. Now let us have English example for this. Let's say A is he cheated on you and B is he apologized 100 times. Then A and B implies A is if he cheated on you and he apologized 100 times, then he still cheated on you. That is if A is true, he really cheated on you, and even he apologized 100 times, you cannot erase the fact that he cheated on you. And this rule is always true. Now the good thing about this tautology is you can put it in any line of reasoning as long as it is applicable, and you don't need anybody to specify this rule because it is always true. Now in reality, some of you may disagree with this statement, that is, in spite of apologizing 100 times, you wouldn't even forgive that person. Now to resolve this matter, let me specify a rule that is a forgiveness rule, and it is specified like this. B implies not A, which is if he apologized 100 times, then he didn't cheat on you, that is, you will forget that he cheated on you, like forgiving him. Now if you combine all the statement, you will have like this: A and B implies not A, meaning he cheated on you and he apologized 100 times, and if he apologized 100 times, then he didn't cheat on you. Now let us fill up its truth table and see what will happen. Now if you fill up a truth table, you can have like this: all its truth values are false. This is not a tautology, since not all in here are true, but instead they are all false. Now this statement, which is always false for every truth value assessment of its primitive statement, is called a contradiction. Now let me discuss first this contradiction before discussing or example statement. Further, let me define a contradiction. A statement is a contradiction if it is false for all truth value assessment of its primitive statements. The simple example of a contradiction in this one, A and not A, and if you fill up its truth table, you can find like this: A and not A is false for all truth value assessment of its primitive statement. A, that is when A is true or false, this A and not A is false. An English example for this one is he cheated on you and he didn't cheat on you. Let's say A is he cheated on you, then not A is he didn't cheat on you. Now in here we have two opposing realities. One reality is he cheated on you, and the other one, which is opposite to this one, is he didn't cheat on you. And in here there's these two opposing realities exist at the same time. Now in mathematical logic, this is not allowed to happen. That is existence of two opposing realities at the same time. That is why this is always false. Now going back to our previous example, this A and B implies not A is a contradiction. Now you might wonder why it is a contradiction. You might even think that mathematical logic doesn't allow forgiveness because after adding this forgiveness rule it becomes a contradiction. Actually, that is not true. The thing that mathematical logic doesn't allow in here is the existence of two opposing realities. That is, we have here a which is he cheated on you, and because of this B and B implies not A, they will eventually result in not A, which is an opposite reality with this one. So you will have here two opposing realities, which is this A and the resulting not A, and mathematical logic doesn't allow this to happen at the same time, so this is always false. So that what makes it to be a contradiction. Now how to make it to be not contradiction? To make it to be not a contradiction, we could erase this A. This is if you really forgiving a person, then you need to forgive him completely. That is, you need to forget the fact that he cheated on you after forgiving him. Now let us check the truth table for this B and B implies not A after removing this A from this statement. So we have here B and B implies not A, which is deleting the A in here from the original statement. And if we fill up its truth table, we can have like this. So as you can see, not all of its rule values are false. So we have here I hope to be true. So it is true if B is true and bank plate not A is true. That is if he sincerely apologizes 100 times, and if you sincerely forgive him after apologizing 100 times, then it is true. So that is for our example statement, and it's time to move on. So the next video is about equivalent statements. Let me end this video for now. I hope you have enjoyed this video and will be in the next video as well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like in my video. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.